Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will calculate the missing frequency in median. Here statement is given. An incomplete distribution is given below. Find out missing frequency. If the median value is 35, it means the value of median is given. M is equal to 35. Median value is given. And we have to calculate these two missing values, missing frequencies actually. So first of all, let us see either the values are in ascending order or not. So all the class intervals are in ascending order. Let us write down. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and last one is 60 to 70. Class intervals are in ascending order, or moreover class intervals are equal also. Then let us write down the values of frequency. And for the missing frequencies, let us first of all do calculate which are the values of, and moreover one assignment is also given. Here value of n is also given. N is equal to 150. This is also given in the statement. N is equal to 150. So let us compute the first frequency or second frequency. So this is F1 and this is F2. And we know that the sum total of all the values of n will be equivalent to, that must be equivalent to 150. So I am writing down 150 is equal to, here 10 plus 20 plus and let us assume that I am putting small x instead of F1. This is the value of x. 10 plus 20 plus 30. We have derived the value of, this is the value of F2, plus 20 plus 10. This will be the value of F2. And let us assume that F1 is equal to small x. And we have written the value of x here also. So the F2 is equal to 150 minus, here 10 plus 20 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 20 80 plus 10 90. So this is 90 plus x. So the value of F2 is equal to 150 minus 90 minus x, which is equivalent to 60 minus x. So it means this is the value of F2, 60 minus x. And here the value of F1 is equal to small x, which we have assumed. Let us take F1 is equal to small x. Now I am writing down the value of frequency which is given. These are the values x and f. First frequency 10, second frequency 20, third frequency small x, fourth frequency 30. Then instead of f2, I am writing down its value 60 minus x. Then next frequency 20 and last frequency is 10. So these two frequencies we have derived. First frequency, this is f1, and next frequency, this is f1 and this is f2. Now let us prepare a cumulative frequency with the help of these given datas. First 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus x, 30 plus x, 30 plus x plus 30, 60 plus x. And for further calculation, 60 plus x plus 60 minus x. So the values minus x or plus x will be cancelled and the value will be 120. Then 120 plus 20, 140, and 140 plus 10, last one is 150. And this was also given that n is equal to 150. This was also given, and we have also derived that the calculations are also 150. Then let us put the value in the formula. M is equal to size of n by secondth item is equal to size of 75th item, and moreover the value of median is given, which is 35. M is equal to 35. This is given in the statement. So M is 35. It means median will lie in this class interval 30 to 40. So we will underline the whole values. Either those are class intervals or frequency or a previous cumulative frequency. So we will take all these values. This is lower limit 30. So let us put the value in the formula. L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by f multiplied by I. So M is equal to, here M is equal to so median is equal to, lower limit is 30. 30 plus n by 2 is 75 minus a previous cumulative frequency, which is 30 plus x, divided by, this is the frequency 30 and equal class interval, that is 10. So this will be equivalent to 30. So median is equal to 30 plus 70, 75 minus 30 minus x divided by 30 multiplied by 10. So 0, 0, that would be cancelled, is equal to, that will be equivalent to, so median is equal to 30 plus 75 minus 30, which is 35 minus x divided by 3. So I am putting the value of median, which is 35, here. So 35 minus 30 is equal to 35 minus x divided by 3. So this will be 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 35 minus x. 75 minus 30, it will be 45. Yes, this will be 15 is equal to 45 minus x, or x is equal to 45 minus 15 is equal to 30. So we have here we have calculated the values of x, and we have taken x as f1. So the value of f1 is equal to x is equal to 30. This we have derived, and the value of f2 is equal to, so the value of f2 is equal to 60 minus x. So by putting the value of x in this equation is equal to 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. So here we have derived the value of x, means ke f1, and the value of f2 is also 30. So it means the value of f1 is 30 and the value of f2, that is also 30. Now let us sum up all the values. 10 plus 20 30, plus 30 60, plus 30 90, 90 plus 30 120, 120 plus 20 140, plus 10 total that should be equivalent to 150. It means we have checked that our answer is correct. So no need to check our answers like Charlier accuracy test in arithmetic mean. We have derived that method to check either our values are right or wrong. Here in the median, no cross checking is required. We can check our answers easily. So that's all regarding this missing frequency of median. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to median. Thank you.